How to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on Android. This tutorial shows you two ways to scan and connect to a Wi-Fi network using a QR code on your Android device. First, open your Android settings and tap on Connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. From there, long press on the Wi-Fi option or tap on the QR code icon at the top right corner of the Wi-Fi page. At this point, your camera will open, ready to scan. Point it at the Wi-Fi QR code and your device will automatically detect the network and connect. And the next step, if that option is not available, open your camera app directly from your home screen. Following this, tap on the four dots or settings icon at the bottom of the camera screen to open camera settings. Once done, tap on the gear icon and make sure the Scan QR codes option is toggled on. From here, go back to your camera and point it at the Wi-Fi QR code. At this stage, a pop-up notification will appear at the top of your screen showing the network name. Finally, tap on the pop-up to instantly join the Wi-Fi network without typing in any password. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you scan a Wi-Fi QR code, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.